everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English Workshop. Today we talk about daily routines.
Hello, I'm William. A daily routine is what you do every day. It can help you feel calm and ready.
Yes, and we will use easy English. You can listen, repeat, and learn.
Also, we will ask you small questions. You can answer in your head or out loud.
Let's start with the morning. William, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m. I open my eyes and I take a deep breath.
Nice. I wake up at 7 a.m. I don't jump out of bed. I sit for a minute.
That is a good start. When I wake up, I drink a glass of water.
Water is important. It helps your body. Do you drink cold water or warm water?
Warm water. It feels good in the morning. Then I go to the bathroom.
Same. I brush my teeth and wash my face. It helps me feel fresh.
Me too. After that, I stretch my arms and my back. Just a little.
Stretching is great. Everyone, quick question. Do you stretch in the morning? Yes or no?
Mia, do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I do. It takes 1 minute. My room looks tidy.
I try to do it too, but sometimes I forget.
It's okay. Now, let's talk about breakfast. What do you eat?
I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit.
I like oatmeal. Sometimes I eat a banana and drink tea.
Do you eat a big breakfast or a light breakfast?
A light breakfast. I don't want to feel too full.
Same. After breakfast, I check my phone, but only for 5 minutes.
Good rule. I check my messages and the weather. Then I look at my plan for the day.
I use a to-do list. It tells me what I need to do.
Everyone, do you have a to-do list? If not, you can start today.
Okay, Mia. After morning, we go to the next part. Getting ready to leave.
Right. I put on comfortable clothes. Then I pack my bag.
What do you put in your bag?
My keys, my phone, my wallet, and a small notebook.
I bring my laptop and a bottle of water. I also bring headphones.
Headphones are useful. You can listen to music or a podcast.
Yes, but I also like quiet time. Quiet time helps me think.
Now, let's talk about travel. Do you walk, take a bus, or drive?
I usually take the metro. I mean the subway.
I usually walk. It takes 15 minutes. I like the fresh air.
Everyone, quick practice. I usually walk. I usually take the bus. Say it with us.
Great! Now we move to the afternoon routine.
In the afternoon, I work. I have meetings. I answer emails.
In the afternoon, I study. I read, I write, and I do homework.
When you study, do you study for a long time?
Sometimes yes, but I take short breaks. I stand up and move.
That is smart. If I work too long, I feel tired. So I take a break too.
What do you do in your break?
I stretch, drink water, or get a small snack. Maybe nuts or an apple.
I like tea and a cookie. Just one cookie.
Nice. Now, let's talk about lunch. What time do you eat lunch?
Around 12:30. I eat something light. Maybe salad or a sandwich.
I eat around 1 o'clock. I like rice with vegetables and chicken.
Do you eat at your desk or away from your desk?
Away from my desk. I want my brain to rest.
Good idea. When I eat slowly, I feel better.
After lunch, some people feel sleepy. This is an afternoon energy slump.
Yes! To help, I drink water and take a short walk.
I also open the window for fresh air. It helps me wake up.
Now, in the afternoon, I do my big tasks.
Big tasks are important. I try to finish them before I get too tired.
Let's practice a useful phrase. I need to finish this today.
And another one. I will do it step by step.
Great. Now, sometimes my day is stressful. What do you do when you feel stress?
I pause. I breathe. I say, it's okay. I can do it.
That's a strong sentence. Everyone, repeat. It's okay. I can do it.
After work, I like to close my laptop and tidy my desk.
Me too. A tidy space feels calm.
Now we move to the evening routine.
In the evening, I want to unwind. I want to relax.
Same. First, I eat dinner. What do you eat for dinner?
I like pasta with vegetables, or soup and bread, something simple.
I like fish with vegetables, or rice with eggs.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home often. It saves money and it is healthy.
I cook at home too, but not every day. Sometimes I'm tired.
After dinner, I do a short walk. Even 10 minutes helps.
I love evening walks. The air is cooler, the day feels slower.
Then I take a shower. It feels like a reset button.
Yes, a reset button means you feel fresh again.
After the shower, I put on comfortable clothes.
Then I do small things. I wash dishes, I prepare clothes for tomorrow, and I check my bag.
Preparing for tomorrow is great. In the morning, you feel calmer.
Now let's talk about screens. Do you use your phone before bed?
I try not to. I stop screens 30 minutes before bed.
Good habit. I read a book or listen to soft music.
I sometimes drink herbal tea. It helps me relax.
What herbal tea do you like?
Chamomile. It smells nice and feels warm.
Now we wind down. Wind down means we go slower and get ready for sleep.
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and set my alarm.
Then I get into bed. I think about 3 good things from my day.
That is a beautiful habit. What are 3 good things from today?
1. I finished my work. 2. I talked with you. 3. I learned new words.
My 3 things. I ate healthy food. I helped a colleague. And I had a quiet walk.
Everyone, your turn. Think of 3 good things today.
Now, we will do a fun role play. Mia is a student. I am a worker.
Okay. Good morning, William. What's your plan today?
Good morning, Mia. First, I will drink water. Then I will eat breakfast. Then I will go to work.
Great. I will go to class. After class, I will study.
Don't forget breaks.
I won't. I will take a short walk after lunch.
Perfect. In the evening, we both will relax.
Yes. I will read a book and go to bed at 10 p.m.
I will drink herbal tea and sleep at 10:30 p.m.
Nice. Role play finished. Now let's learn a few very useful daily phrases.
Phrase 1. I wake up at. Example. I wake up at 7.
Phrase 2. I usually have. Example. I usually have a light breakfast.
Phrase 3. I need to. Example. I need to finish my homework.
Phrase 4. I take a break. Example. I take a break every hour.
Phrase 5. I wind down by... Example, I wind down by reading.
Now, let's build a simple routine for you. Ready?
Step 1. Choose a wake-up time.
Step 2. Choose one morning habit: water, stretching, or a short plan.
Step 3. Choose one afternoon habit: a break, a walk, or a light lunch.
Step 4. Choose one evening habit: no screens, reading, or herbal tea.
Keep it simple. One small change is enough.
And remember, routines are not rules. They are tools.
If you miss one day, it's okay. Just start again tomorrow.
Before we finish, let's do a quick speaking challenge.
Say this sentence. In the morning, I usually... and finish it.
Example. In the morning, I usually drink water and brush my teeth.
Now you. Say it out loud.
And one more. In the evening, I wind down by...
Example. In the evening, I wind down by reading a book.
Great job!
Today we talked about morning, afternoon, and evening routines.
You learned simple words like stretch, to-do list, recharge, unwind, and wind down. If you want real progress, do this now. Like this video so YouTube shows you more English practice.
Subscribe to Mr. English Workshop and turn on the bell.
Comment below, my routine is, and write 2 simple sentences in English.
Watch the next video right now and repeat the phrases out loud. Don't just listen.
We're Mia and William. See you in the next lesson.